Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to fix if your T-Mobile home internet is not working. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there may be two reasons. The first reason related to your device and the second reason related to your billing or related to your you can like service in your area. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you you need to check your device. If there is any red blinking LED on your device, it means your device is not working properly. So in this case what you have to do, you need to unplug your each and every cable from your router, like the power cable, and you need to remove your each and every cable which is available on your router. You need to just simply remove each cable and reattach the cable same as it is and wait for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, when you replug your router to power, when you restart, your internet will work. Okay, and if it still is not working, what you have to do, you need to contact T-Mobile customer service team, and you need to tell them that your internet is not working, and they will check by their end and they will guide you what is the reason behind your internet is not working. Okay, and once they will guide you, and if there is any you can say like billing issue, they will also guide you. Okay, and by using this method you can easily fix your internet problem. And if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Take care. Bye bye.